Hi friends, welcome back to Curiosity Tube. And before starting anything, a very happy new year to each and every one of you. And may your year ahead go great and be filled with happiness and success. So, for this New Year special, I have my Mi Smart Band 4, which we are going to unbox and review. So, let's start. Now the packaging comes in a box like this. In the front it gives you a picture of the band and it says AMOLED color touchscreen, heart rate monitor, waterproof up to 50 meters and music control. So that's the front. Side it's written Me Smart Band 4, some detailed text and then some detailed specifications at the back. That's the box. Now let's open it. While opening it, you can see a packaging like this. This is the fitness tracker itself. We'll get onto that in a moment. In this column, you get an English manual. Here, you get the charger, and that's it for the box. Very simple. So, without starting anything else, let's get on to the fitness tracker itself. So, this is the fitness tracker. Now, let's open it. Here it is. Wow. The strap quality build is very good. The capsule is very good too. Now let's see what it can do in the next moment. Here I have paired my Mi Smart Band 4 with my phone. So this is the Mi Fit app and it itself has a lot of features. So let's get on to that. The first feature is band display settings. That's basically watch faces. In that you get three columns. The first column says online band displays, which has over 49 online watch faces. Then there's custom and my band displays. These are the recent band displays I have displayed on my Mi Band 4. That's the band display column. Then there is unlock screen option. So that means you can unlock your phone with your Mi Smart Band 4. Then you can set incoming calls if you want them to come in your Mi Smart Band 4 or not. Then you have event reminders, alarms, app alerts, and idle alerts. And then some of the really detailed features which are really cool. Here on the Mi Band 4, let's talk about it for a moment now. This Mi Band 4, I found it really cool, and the main feature between the Mi Band 3 and the Mi Band 4 was the color display. In Mi Band 3, you got a black and white display. However, in the Mi Band 4, you got a color display. It's an AMOLED 0.95-inch color display, which is very good. Now the Mi Band 4, I have been personally using it for 1 month now and I really like it. So I recommend to buy it. It's a very budget friendly band if you are looking for a fitness tracker. It counts your step. It's very accurate on that, and I'll show you in a moment what features it has. So let's see. So here is the more feature. In more you get DND, alarm, music, stopwatch, timer, find device, silent, band display, and settings. That's the more. Then you have the notifications. In the workout you get outdoor running, treadmill, cycling, walking, freestyle, and pool swimming. Weather, heart rate. So now let's see how the heart rate works. So now I have worn it. Now let's see how the heart rate monitor is. So now a downside on Mi Smart Band 4, it takes a lot of time for the heart rate monitor. So I just skipped it and it came 102. So I think that's pretty accurate. Then there's a status option where you can see your steps, your distance, your calories burnt, and your idle alerts. That's the Mi Band itself. Now, let's get on to the charger. The charger is very compact, very cute, and when it comes to charging, this Mi Smart Band 4 is really enhanced. It gives you up to 20 days of battery life and gives you 10 to 15 days of backup on 10% drain battery. And so that means you get for 30 to 35 days of battery life on a single charge. And now I'll show you how good it charges. Here I have put on my power brick, and now let's put in the charger. Now let's take out the capsule and put it inside. So as you can see, when it charges, this kind of a screensaver comes out. While charging, you cannot access the Mi Band 4's features. And now that's the Mi Band 4. Hope you friends enjoy this video, and be sure to like, share and comment on this video, and surely subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to ring that bell that gives you the notifications of my new videos. Stay tuned friends, and see you soon. Bye.